Okay, folks, for data entry into Sarah Buckman's client record, so upon contact, we're able to verify some of the details that came through from when Sarah was a lead. Now here in the client record, you can see that we have two different tabs. Under the details tab, I can actually update Sarah's record. Sarah has provided her date of birth, so I can update that accordingly. And the date of birth is 1996. Sixteenth of January. So that's updated. And I can also just checking the information that Sarah has provided. I can also update the loan amount requested to be $125,000. So I'm going to scroll down to that. So I can update, can add it here in the description, loan amount 125. Then I can click Save. We also know that Sarah is an Australian citizen, so I can update that as well. And then I can click Save for those three details changes. So I have updated Sarah's date of birth, I have updated the loan amount that she's requesting, and I have also updated her residency. Data entry, folks. Data entry is performed in the client record, and data entry is in the related tab. So let's start with income. Click on New Income. Sarah is PAYG. What will happen now, folks, is that the field will open up. Full-time basis, absolutely. Industry. Now Sarah is the store manager, and she has been with the Cotton On Group for 5 years. Yes, that's what my records tell me. She's been there through high school, and that was back in February. Occupation, manager, maybe store manager. Occupation, store manager. Occupation, manager. Occupation, occupation, so occupation, Cotton On manager, we will put that down as shop manager. Income details, Now, Sarah lets us know that she's paid fortnightly and banks approximately $1,800 after tax. Now, if I click on the More Details button, you'll see that if in fact Sarah had a bonus or regular overtime, I would insert it here. Employee contact details, so it's a private company. Business name is Cotton On. And I save. Next section, assets. Now we know that Sarah has a savings. Actually, we'll start. Now we know that Sarah has a SUV. Asset name is SUV. Vehicle type, medium. Value, $18,000. Value basis, make, let's say SUV. And Sarah owns 100% of this asset. Now we're also going to pop in here. Sarah has 3K, left 2K for SUV. Save and new because we want to add more assets. Now, Sarah has a credit card. Now, Sarah has savings. This is the house deposit for $35,000. And we can save and new. Sarah also has super with rest. Superannuation. And that is for $15,000. And that is for $15,000, 100% of that. And those are all of Sarah's assets. So to add multiple assets, folks, click on the Save and New button. I'm going to click on Save, and then my assets should list the 3 that I've entered: my super, my house deposit, and my SUV. Same process with liabilities. Liability name, we'll start with the SUV, and it is a personal loan. Related assets is the SUV. So the limit is $18,000 and the current balance is $3,000 owing. And Sarah's making repayments of $200 a month. $100% of the liability as well. I want to add more liability, so save and new. Has a credit card. and that is with CBA. CBA, and the limit is $10,000, and the current balance is 0. So no repayments, 100% in Sarah's name. And that is all that we have for liabilities. Expenses, same process, folks. Now, Sarah explains that she lives with her parents who cover the majority of her expenses, but she does have 2 types of insurances. So this is the medical insurance or health insurance and her car insurance. So we will scroll down to the insurance category. Comments. We will identify first that the car insurance is for $150 a month. I want to add a second type of insurance, so I click on the Add Item button. I'll spell that properly for her. So I want to add another type of insurance. Scroll down and you'll see that I have a new area here under the insurances category. So I'm going to go health insurance. And that is also for $150 a month. Nope, Sarah doesn't pay any other types of insurances or living expenses. Her family looks after that. So we're going to click on Save. And I should have 2 types of insurances appearing in my category. And there we go. So that is data entry for Sarah Buckman in her client record. So the data entry goes into the Related tab. Income, other information as well if you have it, folks, but income, assets, liabilities, expenses. And all other information can go in here too. You can upload files. Files is the Podium Reimagined new word for attachment. So you can upload files, attachments here, add relationships if you need to, but you can also refer to that in our e-learns about contacts and connections. Okay, data entry, Sarah Buckman, and the client record, done.